Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to install custom recovery on Samsung Galaxy A5 2017. Alright, first on our phone we gotta turn on the OEM unlock feature, and thanks to that we will unlock the bootloader. So open up the settings and make sure that you're connected to the Wi-Fi. If you are, scroll all the way down, click on About Phone, Software Information, and now tap on the build number 7 times in a row until you see that developer mode has been enabled. Then go back to the main page, scroll down, tap on developer options and enable the OEM unlock. Click on enable, and now our bootloader has been successfully unlocked and we can flash our custom recovery. And now power off your device, hold the power button and click on power off. Now let's download the rest of the stuff. First, visit our page, HardReset.Info, you can see the link right in here. Then go to download section and type Samsung Drivers. Then click on search, select Samsung Drivers and click on download. Then go back, type Odin, download the latest version 3.14.4, also click the download button and then type ADB. Okay, and select Mini ADB and Fastboot with drivers and also click on download. Then open up the mega page, the link will be in the description of the video. Open up the folder with a custom recovery, right click, download and standard download. Okay, now open up the downloads folder on your computer, and in here we have our Samsung drivers, Odin app, ADB drivers and our custom recovery. Now you gotta extract those 3 files, Samsung drivers, Odin and the ADB drivers. You can use WinRAR for it, right click, WinRAR and extract to, or you can click on extract all and extract and it will also fully work. Then open up the folder with the Samsung drivers and you need to install them. In my case, they are already installed, so I'm not going to repeat the whole installation process once again, but the whole installation is really easy. All you need to do is to click on next, 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 and it will be installed. It's going to take about 5 minutes. And also, if you're installing the Samsung drivers for the first time, I highly recommend to restart the computer. So thanks to that, everything will work properly. Then open up the folder with the ADB drivers and begin with ADB setup. Double click. Now press Y on your keyboard, enter, Y, and enter. Okay, now ADB Fastboot. Click on next. In my case, it's already installed, so I'll select repair. In your case, it's going to look a little bit differently if you're doing it for the first time, but the whole installation is just like with the Samsung drivers. All you need to do is to click on next, 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 and it will be installed. And then ADB driver setup. I also select repair because it's installed in my case. And now we can click on close. Now go to downloads, open up the folder with the Odin, double click and launch the program, click on OK. And now on our phone we gotta enter the download mode. To do it, hold the power key, home button and volume down button at the same time. Now click on volume up. Now connect your phone to your computer using the USB-C cable. I highly recommend to use the original one or another good quality USB-C cable. As you take a look in the Odin, our phone has appeared as those numbers. And now go to options, unselect everything, then click on AP, go to downloads, select TWRP, click on open, and then click on start. Okay, it says pass, so everything worked. Now let's enter our new custom recovery. We gotta hold power key, home button and volume down button, and when the screen turns off, we gotta start holding power key, home button and volume up button at the same time. So start holding all 3 buttons. Now switch. And when Samsung logo appears, release the power key, but keep holding volume up and home button. Okay, when you see the logo, we can release all buttons, swipe to the right side, and now, as you can see, we have our new custom recovery, and now, for example, we can install custom ROMs. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.